Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to make a bunny box or a bunny basket just like this one. This is intermediate level and the only material needed is a square of paper. For a better result, I recommend one that has two colors, and starting with the main color facing down, our first step is to fold in half along both diagonals. So we are going to start by bringing one corner to the other, like this. And then just make a crease. Let's unfold it. Now let's fold the opposite diagonal. And unfold again. Still in the same position, now we're going to have to fold the paper in half horizontally. For this, we'll bring the bottom side to the top and reinforce the middle, dividing the paper in two. Unfold it. And now we are going to have to divide the paper into four by folding the top and bottom side. So first, just bring the top side to the middle. And then the bottom edge to the middle as well. After dividing the paper into four, we can unfold it as before. And now we are going to have to divide it into 8. To make it easier, starting at the bottom, just bring the edge to the first mark. Then bring the same edge to the first mark from the top. Then fold the top side to this line here. And finally, just fold the top edge to the first mark on the top. The paper is now divided horizontally into 8 parts. For the next step, we'll have to fold 3 parts from the bottom side up. Pay close attention now. First, we're going to have to reinforce this diagonal here. And then bring the corner to the left, flattening the paper at the height of this line here, in the third part from the top down. make it really sharp. Now we need to turn it over, bring the paper down in this line here, in the first one below, then bring it back on the next one, let's fix it a little if necessary, aligning everything. And now let's repeat the same step as before, but now on the left side. As the other side is ready, we can simply bring it over the previous one. And flatten the paper to crease. Now on the left we have this corner. For the next step we need to fold the same corner a little more, just to make a mark. Then, using this mark as a reference, we're going to push the corner inside . It's more or less like this. Now, on the other side, we're going to have to fold 2/3 of the edge to this line here, to the first one from the top. And again, we'll reinforce it very well, just to create a crease. And then we can unfold. Now, open it in this position. And we are going to have to reverse this part too, using these lines that we just made. So first, reinforce it, like mountain folds. Then close as before. Now we can again fix it a little, reinforce whatever is necessary. And now let's open the first layer. Then fold the left side to the middle . And then bring the layer back. Let's go to the other side. Open the layer as before. Fold the side to the middle. And then we close it again. For the next step, we are going to open it here. And a little attention again. We'll have to fold this extra paper inside. That is, let's take the first layer and fold like this. Here on the right side we have some extra paper. We just need to flatten it. Close the paper again. And for this side, this is more or less the result. On the other side we do the same. Just open the top side a little bit and fold the extra paper inside. Flatten the other side. And we have the beginning of our bunny. For the detail of the ears, we're going to have to fold this flap down, creating a diagonal like this. Now repeat on the other side. And our bunny box is ready. If you want, you can leave it like that, but I'd like to add a few more details to make it more beautiful. You can make the variation you want. Now the last steps to open it by pushing the middle down. And bend the corners a little bit. This is a slightly more advanced model, maybe it's an intermediate level, but it's very beautiful and it's definitely worth it. Now we can put candy or Easter eggs inside, the limit is your imagination. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!